Announcing the 2025 PMR TV Sports Photography Workshop. This will happen from April 22nd to the 25th in the foothills of the Great Smoky Mountains in Tennessee. There are almost 20,000 followers of my channel at this juncture, which I very much appreciate, and you wouldn't subscribe unless you got something out of my content. Here's an opportunity to really learn, not just from me, but from all the participants as well, about sports photography. We will have loaner gear available for you, and even if you don't shoot Sony, you are most welcome. This is a 4-day stretch when we attack the CSS Track and Field Championships together as a team and try to make the best photographs possible of each event as they unfold over 2 days of shooting. The great thing about track is that every lens you have is useful. From 12mm to 600, you can use them all. There are also multiple events happening at the same time, so you get to choose which ones to shoot. I walk around constantly from shooter to shooter, checking in with each of you throughout the day, making sure you're in a good position, have the right lens, and exposure information. The idea from this workshop is for you to come away from the experience with a portfolio of images, not just one or two from the same sport. We start by doing a little classroom work on Tuesday, April 22nd at 3:30 p.m. This is an intro to the workshop where we discuss best practices regarding minimum shutter speeds for each event, best lenses, and answer questions you might have. At the end of this instructional time, we head out to El Sazon Mexican restaurant to have an informal get-to-know-each-other dinner on me. Wednesday, we meet up at the track for the workshop tent to hydrate and take a look at the schedule and make a plan of action and start shooting. Thursday is a continuation of the meet where we hopefully learn from mistakes we made on Wednesday and correct them. We finish shooting that afternoon and edit into the night. Friday, we gather in a classroom provided by Maryville College, and each of you will submit your best 10 images from each event you shot, and then we start editing together. We're going to take a look at some of the images that the students that have been shooting all day have gotten. Participants' best work will be edited live by myself, and we will create a slideshow of our collective best work, which will become a YouTube video for my channel. We also present the final images to Maryville College for their use to promote the meet in 2026, where we'll come back and do it all again for the 4th year in a row. No matter what level of shooter you are, you stand to benefit from coming to the workshop. Well, thanks for watching all these images. It's really fun when you have a bunch of people attack the same event and just kill it. And I think they did a great job. So thanks for watching.